In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a reminder in Outlook. If you want to stay on top of important meetings, tasks, or personal events, Outlook makes it easy to create a calendar reminder that gives you a helpful alert at the right time. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to set that up, step by step, so your event is saved correctly and your reminder works the way you expect. To begin, open Outlook on your device and make sure you're signed into the account where you want the reminder to appear. Once Outlook is open, look for the Calendar section and click on it. This will take you away from your inbox and into your schedule view, where you can create and manage events. Next, click New Event. This opens the event creation window, where you'll enter all the details for the reminder. After that, click Event to make sure you're creating a calendar event and not a different type of entry. This is important because reminders are usually attached to calendar items. Now you can start filling in the information. In the title field, enter the name of your event. Try to make it clear and specific, so when the reminder appears later, you immediately know what it's for. At the top of the event window, you can also choose your availability status, such as busy. This helps Outlook mark that time on your calendar and can be useful if you share your schedule with others. From there, select the date for the event. Then, set the start time and the end time. Make sure these times are accurate, since the reminder will be tied to the event timing. If needed, you can also enter a message or description. This is a good place to add notes, instructions, or anything you want to remember when the alert pops up. At the top of the window, you'll also see the option for series. You can click that if this is something that needs to repeat regularly, like a weekly check-in or a monthly deadline. Then click Reminder and choose the reminder time you want. For example, you might select a reminder a few minutes before the event, or much earlier if it's something important that requires preparation. Once everything is entered and selected the way you want, your Outlook event reminder is ready. This is a simple but effective way to stay organized and make sure you don't miss important appointments or deadlines.